Kiki, your fun-time conversational Korean tutor. For this basic Hangul content, we're going to learn how Hangul is basically formed and learn some vocabularies using this principle. So far, you've learned the whole Hangul vowels consisting of standard vowels and diphthongs. From today, we are going to study consonants. Hangul consonants consist of 14 standard consonants and 5 double consonants. First, for the 14 standard consonants, let's pronounce one at a time. 기역, 니은, 디귿, 리을, 미음, 비읍, 시옷, 이응, 지읒, 치읓, 키읔, 티읕, 피읍, 히읗. Good job! When these consonants meet the vowels, they make letters. Today, we are going to study from 기역 to 디귿. Let's begin!
기역, 니은, 느, 디귿, 드, 가, 거, 고, 구, 그, 기, 나, 너, 노, 누, 느, 니, 다, 더, 도, 두, 드, 디.
Let's study some vocabularies for each consonant.
거위, 구두, 나라, 나비, 도로, 두부.
Good job, everyone! Let's meet in another standard consonant video again. Thanks for watching. Bye!